So today I'll be showing you guys how to move your website from one hosting to another. The quick and easiest guide. You won't lose any of your file. You won't lose anything from your website. So if you are just coming to my YouTube channel today, kindly subscribe to get more updates from me. So first thing, what you need to do is to log in your your former hosting you are using before. Log in it. Today I'm using my panel axe sample. So I'll be moving from my website ngvibes. You see this ngvibes.com.ng. Okay, so go navigate to your file manager. This is my folder here. Let me delete this. So first thing you need to do is for you to zip all your files. You need to zip all your files so that you can be able to download them once. I'm using zip compress. As you can see, it's compressing. Okay, so quick one, I need to download the file I zip now, so it will download instantly. So while downloading, you go back to the new hosting you are moving it to. I'm moving it to Namecheap shared hosting, so I need to connect my VPN. I'm using NTN, and if you are using NTN, you need to connect VPN before you use a Namecheap control panel. So while waiting for the VPN to connect, my download to complete. So what you need to do now, task connect. So let me log in my receive panel. So now you log in your control panel. What you need to do next is for you to go to your add-on domain. If you are using the main domain, there's no need there. I'm using add-on domain. I've already add the domain here, so I'll move to file manager. So once you get to the file manager, you have to delete all the file inside before. So let me delete all the file here. Skip. So after you have emptied the folder, you upload what you just downloaded, your file you download from the other website. Compress. So after your file has been uploaded, click on this to take you back to the C panel. Log in again. So here is your file here. You have to unzip it to extract. So my file is here. As you can see, the site is loading here, but let me go to DNS. I want to map it back to Namecheap. So if you are using other hosting, because me I'm using Cloudflare, so I'm pointing to my server IP address. You can also change to your you can also change your name server, but I'm using Cloudflare already, so I have to change my IP address where it's pointing to. So this is my VPS IP address, so I have to change it here. I have to change this one too. So after I've changed it, you have to give it some seconds, some time to reload. So while that one is working, go to this place, wp config, come to this place. So you look for your database name. You see this? That's my database name, and it is here. Database. So let me go to my PHP my admin backend, so I can download my database. So I'm doing this. Copy my login. So what I will do is for me to export my database so that everything will work perfectly. Okay, so let me refresh. It's working here now. So what I will do from here is to change my SSL certificate permission to full. After that, let me refresh. Error establishing database connection. That is very simple to fix. What you will do next is from here, go to my SQL database wizard, ngn. Here you are creating the database that you will upload there. Okay, so already here. Okay, I have my database created already. So what I will just do is to log in my PHP my admin. And click on import. I've already imported my SQL database. That's why everything is here. So what I'll just do here is I paste it here. My user database user name and the password is almost the same thing. The locale is the same thing. So I have to save it. So after saving it, I come back here and refresh. What is happening? Okay. I have not made any changes. Seems something is wrong with the database. Okay, let me use ng. Next step, ng, copy this, paste here. So create user. So while troubleshooting that, let me check from this place. 3 seconds ago. Okay. Make changes. So let me go and upload the database. Let me go and import everything from PHP admin. So import, then I select my file. What's wrong with my now? Allow it to install, to import. Sorry, I did mistake. I uploaded the wrong file. So SQL on. So everything has imported successfully. Now let me reload. WordPress is already installed, so check. Our site is back live. Our site is back to life. That's all. So guys, just help me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping more tutorials for you guys. Thank you very well.